This week, we are going to be learning a little bit more about transferring data to our controllers. So far, we've been using the view bag, but you're going to learn how to use a view dictionary and also a kind of like a temporary uh, dictionary. And so we've got view bag, view data, and temp data. And as you go through this, you'll notice that view data and temp data are almost identical. The difference is that what you put in temp data is temporary. So um, this little table kind of summarizes the differences between the three of them. And a couple things to note that the view bag itself is wrapped around view data. Okay, so a view bag can actually access things stored in view data. Just kind of a little side note. Okay, so I think you'll understand the differences between them better once you actually code them. Okay, so this is just kind of giving you a little introduction to that. Uh, Also, you're going to learn how to create a view model. So a view model basically pulls in data from different classes. And that allows you to kind of display a unique view, so to speak. Then you're going to be going through more on data validation. We have been using data validation, kind of the simpler commands. And so this is more of a comprehensive list, and you will learn commands that will actually change your tables. Uh, and then there's also commands that are used to enforce business logic. So we go through both, and then we'll kind of review model binding and how that works. Okay. And there's assignments from each. And then at the very end here, you are going to participate in the discussion. We've had this discussion in other classes, but hopefully, as you guys have progressed through the program, you've become a more discerning user of apps. So, what you are going to need to post is um, an example of an app you use that includes good code and you know, indicate, why you like it, how does it make you feel, could there be any improvements, and then give an example of poor code and how does interacting with that code make you feel, and what could be done to improve that. And I'm going to post an example for you guys. So hold on here. I'm going to pause. Alrighty, so here is my sample post. One app that I use a lot in the fall is Sleeper, which is for fantasy football. And so my pet peeve is that the desktop version does not work the same as the mobile version. And there are little problems with each version. So I kind of describe what the problems are. And then my the good code would be my Radar Pro, which is a weather app. And I love it. And I'm pretty sure it was free. So it's a great app. Use it all the time, especially when we go on trips. So those are my two apps. So hopefully you guys will share yours as well. Okay, so that is what we are working on this week. The Dropbox does include a summary of what you need to turn in for each of the chapters. And then down here, I do have PowerPoints and then some additional resources on the material that was presented. So hopefully you all have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions.